Today we are showing you how to make the perfect Christmas bauble candle using wood wicks, a festive DIY to make a magical gift or to treat yourself. Pre-weigh out your ingredients. For a list of ingredients, check out the description below. Start by wicking your jar. Secure the wood wick in the centre of your bauble jar using a wick sustainer and a glue dot. Make sure it stands in the middle for an even burn. Then melt your wax. Heat gently in your wax melter following the recommended temperatures. For paraffin wax, the melting point is around 60 to 70 degrees, with the pouring temperature about 58. Use a thermometer to control the temperature. Once the wax cools to a pouring temperature, stir in your Christmas fragrance. Once your wax is ready, carefully pour your wax in the bauble jar, leaving a small gap at the top. Once set, trim the wick about half a centimetre above the wax surface. And there you have it, a beautiful Christmas bauble candles with a cosy wood wick crackle, the ultimate festive DIY. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more videos like this.